Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the fan and remove batteries to prevent short circuits. Once done, flip the unit and remove the 4 screws with a #00 Phillips. This screw size avoids stripping the heads. Next, gently pry along the seam to expose snap-fit tabs. Work one side at a time to prevent plastic cracks. Make sure to track which screws match which holes and photograph cord routing for reassembly. This saves time and prevents wiring mistakes. With the housing open, you inspect the rotor and stator visually and by touch. Spin the blades by hand to feel for rough spots. Grinding indicates bearings or debris, while drag suggests worn brushes or misalignment. Once identified, unplug the motor terminals and check for loose wires or corroded contacts. Tighten or clean them. If bearings are dirty, remove debris and apply a drop of light machine oil to the bearing surfaces. If brushes are worn beyond 50%, you reassemble by carefully routing the cord and reseating all connectors, ensuring no pinched wires. Once the housing is closed, insert screws in their original pattern and tighten them evenly to avoid warping the case. Now plug in and test on low speed first. Listen for smooth operation and observe airflow. If noise or wobble persists, check blade balance and shaft tightness, and as a last resort, replace the motor. If it still fails, try this troubleshooting tip. Swap a known good rotor to isolate motor version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.